Hello everyone, welcome back to the new session. We are at the end of the lesson Glimpses of the Past. Let us continue. The next one is The Fight for Freedom. 1857, the first war of independence. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. Bitter means unhappy. The white man has taken away my kingdom. The Britishers had occupied many kingdoms. They joined the upsurge against the foreigner. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faiziabad told the people, "Rise, brothers, rise. The Angrezis is ruining our land." Ruining means destroying. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad. Azimullah Khan told Tata Tope, "We should have Peshwe Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence." The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India. Pounced means attack. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. "Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you." Now let us know about this picture story. So by 1857, many rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal, Maulvi Ahmadullah had also started to grow unhappy with the British rule. Azimullah Khan advised Tata Tope to start off to the war of independence, while another story of Kunwar Singh of Bihar shot by a bullet on his wrist, and to save himself he cut off his wrist and gave it to River Ganga. By the end of 1857, while we have seen the incidents, we realize that the entire India was jumped into this rebellion against the British. This is all about the lesson. Now let us start the exercise part of this lesson. Firstly, comprehension check. First one, look at the picture 1 and recall the opening lines of the original song in Hindi. Who is the singer? Who else do you see in this picture? This is the first picture which was given in the lesson. The original song is "ए मेरे वतन के लोग हो." The singer is Lata Mangeshkar. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Bahadur Shah Jafar, Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Mahatma Gandhi ji are also seen in the picture. You can observe this. Here we find the leaders of independence. Second question. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? What does the word superior weapons refer? The company's superior weapons mean all their wits, strength, rules and regulations. The British company had the rules and regulation that also belonged to the word superior weapons. Next, third one. Who is an artisan? Why do you think the artisans suffered? It is about third picture. The answer is here. An artisan is a skilled manual worker. He is a laborer who is well experienced and very skillful, right? An artisan is a skilled manual worker who crafts items that may be functional or strictly decorative. The artisans suffered because the British were extracting very high taxes from them, which ruined them economically. Moreover, machine manufactured goods imported from Britain were sold extensively, which ruined the business of the artisans' handmade goods. This was the reason. There was high tax and moreover goods imported from British. Next one, which picture according to you reveals the first sparks of the fire of revolt? Picture 7, the sparks reveals the first sparks of the fire of revolt. Here you can observe, this is picture 7. The first spark was found in North India. This is beginning part of the exercise of the lesson, glimpses of the past. Let us continue the exercise part of this lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.